Good morning, students. Today we will discuss computer generations. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology in the computer. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between hardware technologies, but nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make an entire computer system. From first generation to fifth generation, different type of computers are there. We will discuss one by one. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes as a major piece of technology. Vacuum tubes were widely used in computers from 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tubes were larger components and resulted in the first generation computer being quite large in size, taking up a lot of space in a room. ENIAC was the first generation computer. Computers developed between 1959 to 1965 are known as the second generation computers. These computers were more reliable and in place of vacuum tube, transistors were used. This technology made them more compact than the first generation computers. The input for these computers were high-level language like COBOL, Fortran, etc. Magnetic disks were used as secondary storage device. UNIVAC and IBM computers was the second generation product. Computers developed during the period of 1965 to 1971 were known as third generation of computers. In these computers, a new circuit elements like IC means integrated circuit, was used. An integrated circuit is a small device that can contain thousands and thousands of devices like transistors, resistors, and other circuit elements that make a computer smaller. BASIC and Pascal languages were used in the third generation of computer. The fourth generation of computers were developed between 1971 to 1980. These computers used the VLSI technology. VLSI means Very Large Scale Integrated Circuits technology. Therefore, they were known as the microprocessor. Intel was the first company to develop a microprocessor. The first personal computer or PC developed by IBM belonged to this generation. VLSI circuit had almost about 5,000 transistors on a very small chip and were capable of performing many high-level tasks and computations. These computers were very compact. High-level languages like C, C++, DBase, etc. were used in the fourth generation of computer. This is the present generation of computers and is the most advanced one. The generation began somewhere around 1981 and is the present generation of computer. The method of input include the modern high-level language like Python, C#, Java, etc. These are the extremely reliable and employ the ULSI or the ultra large scale integration technology. These computers are at the frontier of the modern scientific calculations and are used to develop the artificial intelligence or AI components that will have the ability to think for themselves.